Hello buddy, it's your boy Destiny here, and in today's video I'll be showing you on how to remove green screen in CapCut. Let's begin. Okay, so when you're in CapCut, let's say that we've got a green screen video, so we've got this subscribe animation green screen video here, and pretty much what we want to do is remove this green area here. The green screen will be transparent and the video will be see-through, which is what we want. So how to achieve that effect? So first you want to go to remove background, make sure that this clip is selected. Pretty much just go to select the Chroma Key, and it's as simple as just taking the color picker. So select the color picker so you can select the green color. Pretty much this will remove that color that you pick, and then you can play around with the intensity, so how much of that green color will be seen and expressed. You can also play around with the shadow and stuff. Okay, so let's remove it like this, and now as you can see we've successfully removed the green screen. Looks smooth, clean. Boom, that's it.